Hi, everybody. Welcome to this week's Trade of the Week. My name is Lee Goldstein. I'm the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. Please don't forget it's possible to lose money trading futures, so trade carefully. Once again, it's the Trade of the Week. But before we get started, just a little reminder we have a special presentation Saturday at 12:45 a.m. Eastern Time, Traders Corner. I'll be presenting at 12:45, going over all of our earnings workshops that are coming up in the next couple of weeks. Very important, very worthwhile. You'll get a free Netflix workshop if you sign up at www.tradeearningsnow.com. That's the schedule. Sign up for Netflix. The first earnings workshop is next Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. So www.tradeearningsnow.com. Sign up and let's get started with our trade of the week like we do every week. This week was interesting to say the least. Now, I was going to use the PPI as our trade of the week, and I'll just show you a quick profit screen. It was a nice trade. Made $305 on it, and also tested a new ES setup on it that worked beautifully on CPI the day before. Two very interesting inflation reports that the market is really paying attention to right now. But this week's trade of the week was, believe it or not, the 10-year bond auction. Now, I say believe it or not, because the 10-year bond auction, the 20, the 15, the 30, the 50, whatever, all the bond auctions have been absolutely miserable to trade. We do have a very interesting gold setup, which you'll be able to watch on the right side of the chart. It was a winner. The reason I'm making the bond auction 10-year the trade of the week, because we did something really clever with the software. It didn't make the most money of all our trades, but there's a feature in our software called break-even profit ticks and break-even trigger ticks. If you're a member, you'll understand what I'm talking about. If the market moves 6 ticks, move my stop to break even. If you then put a value in trigger the profit ticks, it'll move the stop to break even plus that number. So it was a way to trade one contract, go for an 8-tick target, which is a big target for one contract on a bond report. And if the market moves 6 ticks in our favor, it wouldn't take us out of the trade. It would just move the stop to break even plus 3. It allows you to get a profit, but stay in the trade if the move keeps going. In this particular case, the move kept going. So watch what happens. The bond report was a little bit slow to get started. If you notice here, our orders go on the chart 1301.30. When this video starts, we're at 1302.04. That's more than 34 seconds after our orders were on the chart. That creates a possibility to get filled before the news comes out. It creates all sorts of issues. We did a very clever setup this week. A little bit bigger bracket. We used a bracket of 4. Like I said, we used one contract, a target of 8, and we used those break-even trigger and profit ticks to move the market stop 3 ticks in our favor if the market went 6 ticks in our favor. So let me show you what I mean, because when you see it, you'll understand. The market moves, and then it's going to shoot down 6 ticks. The stop moved automatically, but it didn't take me out of the trade. It got all the way to my target because of the way I set up the software. If the market moves 6 ticks in my favor, move my stop to break even plus 3. Watch that happen in real time once again. That gave me a full 8 ticks on the bonds of profit. That's $31.25 a tick. That's a $250 trade, really chalked up to a little bit of clever programming in our software and a little bit of a nice move in the market. So that, my friends, is our trade of the week. Here's our profit screen, $250 profit. It says 297 because we were up $47.50 on the CPI report that morning. But the 10-year bond, incredible as it may seem, a bond report is the trade of the week. And I hope you're intrigued. If you're not a software subscriber, There are so many clever things you can do with the JOBB software, and a new upgrade is coming out in a month or so. We're real close. And don't forget our earnings webinar, www.tradeearningsnow.com, 12:45 Saturday with Traders Corner, free Netflix. Trade of the week. My name is Lee Goldstein. I'll see you in the webinar. I'll see you in the trade room. See you everywhere we can go. Take care.